Microfiber mop heads deliver superior soil pickup and faster drying, making them the best choice for professional office cleaning businesses focused on small, hard floor areas. Microfiber fibers are split to create many tiny hooks that pick up dust, oils, and bacteria more effectively than cotton. So, choose a mop head with at least 800 grams per square meter pile density for heavy traffic zones and lower weight for light daily maintenance. For small, hard floor areas, work in overlapping S patterns and keep mop heads slightly damp for cleaning and nearly dry for dusting to avoid streaks and slow drying. Use a 2-bucket system or a wringer to control solution concentration and avoid overwetting porous grout lines, and change water frequently so you are not redepositing soils. For baseboard scrubbing, select rough top microfiber pads or a short napped abrasive option and apply direct hand pressure with a small frame to access tight corners without large tools. Maintain both wet and dry mop varieties by labeling them by task and color code for frequency to prevent cross-contamination and ensure quick task selection during short commercial turnovers. Launder mop heads on a warm or hot cycle with phosphate-free detergent. Avoid fabric softener because it clogs microfibers, and inspect for fiber splitting. Replace when you see reduced pickup rather than waiting for visual shredding. The 3 most common mistakes are using too much cleaning solution, which leaves residue and slows drying, so measure and dilute according to manufacturer guidance and wring to a damp state rather than soaking. Another issue is treating all mop heads the same, which leads to cross-contamination, so assign specific mop heads for dusting, wet cleaning, and baseboard work and label them clearly. The third mistake is neglecting proper laundering, which reduces microfiber performance, so wash separately, avoid heat drying at very high temperatures, and rotate inventory so older heads are retired before they lose efficacy. Our site, bighomeprojects.com, helps homeowners find local contractors by providing a searchable platform and a community where members discuss projects and share experience. We connect contractors with homeowners looking for work and host a discussion community so we all learn best practices together.